Let's reset motor to factory settings. Long press SED button. After the motor vibrates for the second time, then press the SET button again. After the motor vibrates, the motor has been successfully reset to its factory settings. Motor code matching. Long press the motor SET button. After the motor vibrates, press the channel selection button on the remote to confirm the channel. Press the P1 button on the back of the remote. After the motor vibrates, the code is matched successfully. Limit travel setting. Press the open button on the remote control. The blinds opens and hits the edge once. Then press the remote control's close button. The blinds closes and hits the edge. The travel setting is successful. The vertical blind slat rotation for light adjustment. Press the remote control's close button. Then long press the P2 button on the remote control. After the motor vibrates, then long press the left light button on the remote. After the motor vibrates, click the left light button. The motor automatically adjusts and returns to a vertical state. The light adjustment setting is successful. Motor reverse. Long press the P2 button on the remote control. After the blinds travel a certain distance, press and hold the stop button for 5 seconds. The blinds will move again and successfully reverse direction. Lock the remote control. Click the P2 button on the remote control. After the channel flashes, select the channel you want. Then press the stop button again. The screen lock is successful.